How to set up auto forward in Outlook, guys? You can forward your new mail to another email id when you're not in the office or not able to manage your Outlook. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first let's open the Outlook here, and in order to auto forward, uh, 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 you have to click on this file option and go to the manage rules, and here you can create the rules for auto forward. Just tap on new rules, and new rules you can click on this apply rules for message I receive. Okay, then click next. Now you can make the some condition like from people or public group or with specific word or specific account or send only to me or when my name in this box or whatever. So click on this. Okay, and okay. So if you want to apply this rule for every message, every message, then you don't need to select anything. But if you want to make it for specific account or specific public group or peoples, you can click on it, and just you have to add the email ID from here, or you can double click on email ID, or you can add manually from here. Okay, just so this is for specific email ID. If you want to move forward, auto forward some specific email, so you can make it. Or if you want to apply all emails, all email that you are received, then just untick everything and click on next. Then the pop-up will be show you that this rule will be applied to every message you receive. Okay, then click on next. Now you can click on forward it to specific public or people. Now click on it. Now you have to click on it, and now you have to enter your email id, which email id you want to forward it. Okay, or if you have email id in your contacts, you can add from here. Okay, so I just add first one, click ok. Now rules has been created. Now click next. Now can also you can add some expectation like except it's from some people or expect subject content, you can make it, or just click on next, turn on these rules and just click finish. So you can see rule has been created. Now click on apply and click ok. So whenever you come back and operate your Outlook account, if now if you want to delete this account, just click on again, go to the manage alert and click on this rule, and you can delete or you just untick it to deactivate. Okay, so you can delete it also. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.